Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to talk to you about strengthening your adductors, or they are commonly called as groins. So adductors are not really the strongest muscle group in your legs, and it is very difficult to recruit them during your normal gym exercises. So it is very important that we train them separately so that they can keep up with the strength levels of the muscles in and around it. So again, otherwise it is just going to lead to a chronic situation, and it is going to be very painful and an annoying experience both physically and mentally. So I have 6 exercises for you that you can do, and let's get right into it. So for the first exercise, we are going to lean against the wall and go into a sitting position. Keep a ball between our legs, and then we are just going to squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. And we are going to do this for 30 seconds. So for the next exercise, we are going to do side lunges, but the modification is that we are going to slide into that position. So for that, we are just going to require something which is going to reduce the friction of the ground. So for that, we are going to use a toe mat or a towel or anything. If you have sliders, great, you can use that. So the thing is, when you go into this position, your adductors are going to play the role of stabilizing your body, and that is a very important function that they perform. This forms 1 rep. We are going to 10 on each leg. We are going to do the other leg. For the next exercise, we are just going to require an elevation like a table or a chair, and we are going to get into a side plank position. So we are going to get into a side plank position, and we are going to feel the pressure on our adductors over here. So we are going to hold this position, and the other leg is going to be off the ground, and we are going to hold this plank position for 30 seconds. Again, core tight because it's going to work on your core as well and your adductors. Next, straight in line with your entire body. Now we are going to do it on the other side. Again, 30 seconds on each side. So if you keep your leg further in, you will get more leverage and it will become easier. And the further away you go, it will become more difficult. So accordingly, you can adjust the load. So for the next exercise, again we are going to go into a similar plank position, but this time we are going to add a bit of movement as well. So our lower leg is going to go up and down. So there you feel it over here. We are going to do 10 on each leg. Slow, controlled reps. Now we are going to do it on the other side. 10 reps on this leg. So next we are just going to target our hip flexors. So this is not exactly for the adductors, but if your hip flexors are working properly, it will take the load off the adductors. So which is why this exercise is important. We're just going to stretch our legs, keep a ball over here, and then we're just going to take our legs both the squats. This forms one rep. We are going to do 15 on each leg. Back straight, core tight all the time. This is going to work on the hip flexor. Other leg. So for the last exercise, we are just going to require a resistance band and we are going to require a stationary object like a sofa. So I'm just going to tie this around it. Put my leg. So this is going to be our starting position. Make sure that there is tension built in the band. Extended my arm for some support and balance. I'm going to do this for 2 seconds. Feel it in your left leg. I'm going to do the same thing now on the other leg. 30 seconds. So guys, these are the exercises that I had for you in this video. So this complete cycle, it forms one set. So you should do 3 sets of these and take a 2-minute rest in between. So these are strength building exercises and they should not be done immediately after getting injured, but rather in the more advanced stages. So exercises like these can really be the difference between a bad season and a really good season. So it is so much more easier to prevent an injury than cure one. And that probably holds true for almost everything in life. So be a bit proactive in your approach and start paying attention to these details. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and if you like the video, please do follow my channel and help me grow this, and I'll see you guys real soon. Cheers.